All right, hello, welcome to the weather update. It is now a little after 9 o'clock on November 25th, 2018. And we have flooding out there. I want to get to some of these flooding reports here on some of these rivers. You can see all the colors here. And here's one, Millstone River into flood stage. So if we click this, actually, let me just move this over so you can see it's going to pop up on the upper left-hand corner. There you go. So look at that. It's in flood stage. Millstone River at Greekstown, New Jersey. So New Jersey is having a lot of flooding on their rivers right now. Some more over here. North Branch at Rancocos Creek. Great Egg Harbor River near Sicklerville, New Jersey. So a lot of these rivers that go through the Pinelands are flooding because of all that rain we had. We're going to get to all the rain in a moment. So you can see that they have definitely reaching a flood stage, a lot of these rivers. All right, let's go to the Toms River right now. So it's still rising, and it's still rising at 8.72 feet. And I think there's going to be a delayed flood in this area because a lot of the areas upstream of the Toms River have flooded, and that water is going to work its way down to the coast over the next couple of days. And you can see this river here, the Metaconk River at Lakewood is in minor flood stage, 8.41 feet. So we have some floods here. Manasquan River at Lakewood went into nearly a moderate flood stage. So a lot of these rivers are flooding because of the rain that fell over this area. So let's get to that rain right now. We're going to actually go and start with New Jersey because that was the area that was hardest hit. Atlantic County, we have reports of nearly 3 inches of rain around Egg Harbor City and around Atlantic City International Airport. In Burlington County, we have a report at Coyote Field of 4.21 inches of rain, and Oswego Lake 3.74. So a lot of these areas are in the Pinelands. Tabernacle Township 3.11. Now in New Jersey, they'll call them the Pinelands or the Pine Barrens. They use the phrase Pinelands more there, which I actually happen to like better. But that area got the lakes there are going to be really full. So some high amounts there in Burlington County. Camden County also not so much in the Pine Barrens there. Cape May County also 2.32 inches. Cumberland County, we have reports in Vineland around 2.76 inches. Gloucester County, Piney Hollow 2.51 inches. So a lot of these counties are in the Pine Barrens. And then Hunterdon also. This is more central West New Jersey. Clinton 3.46 inches. So a lot of areas there got a lot of heavy rain too. Mercer County, Trenton 3.09 inches. So a lot of heavy rainfall reports. And Middlesex County 3.40 inches. At Tottenville in Middlesex County, Old Bridge 3 inches, or about 3 inches there. And let's go into Monmouth because some of these amounts are insane. All right, Monmouth, Hazlitt, 4.04 inches. In Howell, 3.80 inches. What I mean upstream of Toms River. Red Bank, 3.54 inches. Holmdel, 3.54 inches. North of Lakehurst, 3.52 inches. So a lot of reports of some really heavy rains here in Ocean County here. Howell, I meant Monmouth County, 3.19 inches. Freehold, 3 inches. These are very heavy rains. We've had so much rain already. So, these rivers and lakes are going to be really high now as a result of this. Morris County also got a lot of rain. I'm not going to go over all of these. But now let's get to Ocean County because, again, we have some insane amounts here. Ocean County in Jackson Township, 4.66 inches. Almost just a little, just about maybe a little over a third shy of reaching 5 inches. Berkeley Township, that's directly south of Toms River, somewhat south and west of Toms River, 4.27 inches. Manchester, 3.88 inches. Jackson, and there's another report from Jackson here, 3.85 inches. It depends on where you are. Jackson 2.2, so there's a little maybe in southern Jackson. Lakehurst 3.63 inches. Whiting 3.59 inches. A lot of watersheds here. Brick 2.73 inches. So a lot of these rivers and lakes, if we were able to get to, and there probably will be this entire week, the falls at Double Trouble must absolutely be amazing. I'm actually try to get there and check it out again. All right, so Salem, not going to go over that. Somerset, um, high amounts there too. Warren County, and that's going to do it for New Jersey. All right, I'm not going to go over the Pennsylvania amounts. All right, now we got to go over our area, which was not as impressive. All right, so we don't have as many high rainfall amounts because the high rainfall seemed to concentrate itself over New Jersey, as some of the more recent model runs indicated last night. That's exactly what happened. So, northern part of Jersey, these are just some northern New Jersey. Not nothing too impressive. I mean, it's impressive, but not compared to what was further south. Now we look at our area. So Nassau County had a 2.46-inch rainfall at East Rockaway. Thomaston 1.88 inches. Central Park 1.78. In Queens, though, JFK got 2.42 inches. And Suffolk County also, Farmingville was the high amount there of 2.42 inches. But generally around 1.5 inches in most parts of Suffolk County when it comes to the rain. Now we go to the peak wind gusts. All right, Suffolk County, Shinnecock got a wind gust of 58 miles an hour. Napier 54, and West Hampton 51. So these are some pretty strong wind gusts. Though I have a feeling when we look at the New Jersey one, it will be stronger. So let's see if they have some wind gust reports here. Or they do not have wind gust reports. Let's see if they do. I do not see wind gust reports from New Jersey. No, I do not. All right, maybe that'll be in another report. Let's see if we can find another one. Let's see. Maybe it's in local storm report. Let's see what we've got. All right, so these are some of the damage reports from New Jersey that occurred from the flooding. Flooding on US 9 with 1 to 2 lanes near in Middle Township and Cape May. Flooding on state routes. So a lot of flooding on roads. Flooding on US 9 and Cape May. So Manasquan and Monmouth in flood. 71 was closed. I think we talked about some of these road closures last night. You can see there was a lot of flash flooding going on in this area, and even the outer lanes of the New Jersey Turnpike southbound were flooded to the south of Interchange 10. So this was in Edison. That had to be a mess. This is a lot of rain. Flooding along New Jersey Route 68 in Mansfield Township. This is in Burlington County. Flooding along New Jersey Route 35 in Point Pleasant. All lanes closed. So lots and lots and lots of flooding reports coming in from all of these areas here. All right, that's Pennsylvania. We're not interested in that. So yeah, it was quite a bad storm. I don't know why they don't have one with the wind reports. Let's see if we can find another one, because there should be another one with wind reports here. Let's see. I can't believe they don't have any wind gust reports. Let me try to find another one. Older. Let's see. See if we can find one here. No wind gust reports. Unbelievable. I just don't know why they don't have wind gust reports. But you can imagine that the winds were gusting. In fact, I'll put this observation on the screen. This was an observation of some of the kind of winds they were experiencing. This was reported at Atlantic City Airport. So, yeah, quite a storm indeed. It looked like originally looked like Suffolk County was going to get the brunt. It wound up being the New Jersey, central and southern New Jersey that wound up getting the brunt of this. Anyway, now we're going to look at the models and take a look at the next rainstorm heading our way. Yes, we have another soaker coming tomorrow. All right, so here we go with the models, and we'll start with the GFS. We'll start with the general trend for the next couple of weeks, and I'll show you there's a number of rainstorms coming. Well, I would say the next 10 days or so. So this is the 18Z GFS run. And you can see here comes the next rainstorm for us tomorrow, which will be impacting us tomorrow afternoon into the evening. Here, the central low is going to the well to the northwest, but then another system forms right off the coast again and leads to an intensifying area of precipitation. That moves away, then we should have sunny to partly sunny skies for Tuesday and Wednesday with slightly below normal temperatures. You can see the flow coming out of the northwest there. And then Thursday continues. But guess what happens for the weekend? Look at that. Here comes the next rainstorm. Let's see. That looks like that one's gonna fall apart. Maybe that one will not hit us. Maybe we'll still be able to eke out that. But here comes the next storm, and this would be around Sunday. Yeah, another soaker for around next Sunday, December the 2nd. Here we go with another rainstorm, and we moving along here. Guess what? Right behind that, here comes another rainstorm. So another one for the following Wednesday. So, and look at that. There comes another one. So it's just one after another. And then maybe toward the end of the period, it looks like we'll finally get a nice deep, another, looks like another Arctic air mass moving down around mid-December, hopefully, as we get in there, getting some more Arctic air. Maybe we'll get to see some snow, too, as we head toward the holidays. But all this rain is just a bummer. But it's better than what they had to deal with in California. But still, it's causing flooding. And like I said, due to climate change, we're seeing these precipitation imbalances. So let's go and look at our more mesoscale models and look at the NAM and see how this handles. All right, that's the 0Z run. I do not have enough of that in. So let's go and look at this one here. So here comes the next rainstorm approaching for us tomorrow. And it's going to start in around afternoon, and it's going to get heavy again toward late afternoon, early evening. You can see it's a little more of the scattered variety, but still, these cells that are going to pop up are going to produce some really heavy rain, and then that moves out of here for Tuesday. So let's go ahead and look at how much rain is forecast to fall from this one. So they have again inch plus amounts over New Jersey, Long Island. Maybe not as much as the last one, but it's still going to be more rain into rivers and lakes that are already fairly full and going to cause more flooding problems in New Jersey, most likely in New Jersey, because they had a lot of rain already. That is the NAM precipitation outlook. I want to look at now the GFS, even though we don't really use that too much. Let's see, the GFS is similar. Inch plus amounts, maybe a little more heavier rain over Long Island on this run. Let's take a look at the RGEM. Similar results from the RGEM as well. So we will go and we'll just look at the radar reflection again at the storm. There it is. So you can see the storm is going to intensify again. That's still some pretty heavy rain. So bears watching, and just a very active weather pattern that we are in right now. And of course, we had a lot of clouds around today. Let's see. And the last thing we're gonna do, we're looking at the RGEM, but let's see if we can get some sunshine in here. It looks like Tuesday we'll be able to start to get some sunshine in again, and I'm sure that the NAM hopefully will have that too. Just use this run here because that's. So the NAM also has sunshine, but look what happens once you get in the afternoon. Some more clouds pop up. So that's the NAM, and then we'll look at the GFS and see if that is. So it looks like we'll try to get some sunshine in here on Tuesday. All right. So last thing I'll look at is the temperatures. So it will be warm, obviously. That's where we're gonna have rain. So today was pretty warm, and you can see here. Is the warm air again coming up. So tomorrow we'll be into the 50s, so probably around 50 degrees, and then behind that front we'll take a look at temperatures dropping on Tuesday into the mid 40s, which is a little below normal for this time of the year, very slightly, and then Wednesday we stay in the, it looks like it drops one of the low 40s. Thursday we see again continuing slightly below normal temperatures into Thursday and Friday, and this is more like average now for time of the year. So mid-40s would be about average. And then we see a warm-up for the weekend. You could see that bubble of warm air coming, and actually could wind up getting quite warm on Sunday. Some of the models are indicating, and I've heard about this already, that we could see some 60s, maybe even some 70-degree readings over New Jersey. So what a way to kick off December with temperatures rising when they should be falling. And I have a feeling accompanied with that warmth will be humidity too. So we'll just look at that. Yeah, dew point's going to start rising a little bit over New Jersey. So some of us might have to put the air conditioner on. Crazy weather, let me tell you. But anyway, that is going to wrap up this weather update. Take care. Thank you for watching.